Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In this video, I will show you how to easily withdraw funds from Z League whether you have won a prize or earned money through gaming. Withdrawing your funds is a simple process. Start by logging into your Z League account on their website or application. Make sure your account is fully verified to access withdrawal features. Navigate to the account or wallet section and find the withdraw option. Click on it to start the withdrawal process. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw and provide the necessary details such as your bank account or PayPal information. Make sure all the details are correct to avoid any issues. Now review the withdrawal details and confirm your res- Now review the withdrawal details and confirm your request. You may need to complete additional verification tasks for security purposes. Now, once confirmed, your withdrawal request will be processed. It may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your account, depending on the withdrawal method. And that is how you easily withdraw funds from Z-League. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.